What up, peeps? It's almost April 2013. And you know, I don't usually do any videos about politics because I tend to try to avoid politics because it just gets people all aggro and it's not really worth it. And I spent years researching and finally come to the conclusion that if you still believe that it's a two-party system and that it makes a difference which side you vote for, you're totally wrong. But you know, all the things that Obama does, it's just like any other president. It's nothing new. And I'm getting really tired of seeing these videos people are posting, putting Obama's picture behind things like chemtrails to depopulate, or you know, New World Order coming, or reptilians. You know, fuck all that shit. And it's really just a waste of everyone's time. But I finally found something that really pissed me off to the point where I had to make a video about it. And, you know, there are valid things that our government does that are horrible, that need to be addressed. And this one is he just signed a bill into office that included a clause that basically said that Monsanto, their genetically modified seeds, that within this provision in this bill, people can't file lawsuits for damage caused to them by genetically modified foods. Now, man, that's a big one. That's a really big one. And this is what this is telling me is that Monsanto is already ahead of the game. They're already trying to prevent collateral damage because they know that their products are dangerous. We were never intended to play God with our food. It's not right, because now you can not only not file a lawsuit against them for something it does to you, but they own the rights to all that seed already. They're already suing farmers for growing you know, their crops on accident, the seeds that blow into their field and whatnot. It's getting ridiculous. And food is one of the things that is it's a staple, it's important, it's something that everyone needs, and it's just like water rights. It should never be infringed upon. And when farmers are having problems growing crops because they're being pressured by big company, I'm pissed off. This is wrong, you know, because there is enough food out there for everyone. There is enough food to feed the world if we just didn't waste so much. You know, U.S. wastes over half of its food. I mean, it's disgusting. We throw away so much stuff. It's because we get more than we need. We always cook big dinners. Why do we have to cook such big meals? Why do we have to waste so much food? And now in order to accommodate for that wasted food, we have to grow GMO food in order to have enough, and have it fast enough, and to keep up with all the diseases and the bugs. And now this is what my point is that yes, I am blaming Obama for this one. Not himself. I'm blaming Monsanto for the problem. But I'm blaming Obama for not signing the order before he signed it. There's no excuse for this. If this clause is really in there, not allowing, you know, somebody to file a lawsuit over one of the biggest issues people have right now, which is GMOs, you've got to know what's in there. And there's no excuse. And if you don't know what's in there, then don't be signing a bill just because it's a bill and it's presented to you. So, fucking UPS trucks drive too fast. Monsanto, that's all I can say. Fuck you. I've just had it. I've just had it with GMOs, genetically modified foods, and I've had it with all this crap about people tiddly fighting back and forth over stupid little arguments that don't even have any basis in reality. People blaming the government for things that aren't even provable or not even valid. I mean, what I'm saying is that people should be putting their energy towards things that really make a difference, things that we really can prove that are happening, because there's enough to fight about out there, and there's enough to stand up for without creating false dramas. So, yeah, shame on Obama, and shame on Monsanto. Shame on all the people out there who supported that bill and created that bill. It just makes me angry.